Now, obviously, it's snowing outside, but we are actually required by the White House to say that it is snowing because of the Democrats. In a statement from Donald Trump, he said it would be 75 degrees and sunny all across the country if the left didn't exist. JD Vance said on Truth Social that he hopes the snow will freeze the gay away. The U.S. National Weather Service put in an alert all across the Midwest saying that God clearly hates liberals. Now, officially, we're required to say that no ice agent has ever or will ever slip on ice. My producers tell me that we just got a meme from the White House depicting unhoused people freezing from the cold. We'll show that here now.